often get asked by clients, what is James Hardie siding made of? And it's a great question. You know, as someone who worked for James Hardie for 6+ years, I used to train other contractors about James Hardie. I've done more plant tours than I can remember. The science behind it is really cool. So the core components of James Hardie would be water, sand, Portland cement, and then wood fibers. That's what makes up the primary body of the product in the plant. What makes Hardie especially interesting is that unlike other siding manufacturers that just make a one-size-fits-all product, James Hardie is actually manufactured based on what part of the country you live in. So they call it engineered for climate. So for us in St. Louis, we live in the northern region. Part of this is because we have so much weather variety throughout the year. We get a lot of freeze-thaw cycles throughout the wintertime. We get a lot of humidity and rain throughout the spring and summer. It's really cool that Hardie has essentially invented a product that is built to withstand those elements. It's not the same product in St. Louis that you would get in Texas, which actually I think is a great benefit to the consumer, because you're putting on a product that's built to withstand the harsh elements we have in St. Louis. And it's a product that'll last for many, many years to come. In St. Louis, like I mentioned, so Hardie has engineered for climate with their product. And so we live in the northern region, which is also called HZ5. Within that HZ5 product line, which would be any of the lap siding, board and batten, shake products, so any of the products we choose for your home are specifically engineered for our climate, meaning that there are special additives in the product that will help it with freeze-thaw cycles, meaning it's not gonna get the hairline cracks, it won't get brittle over time like you see with vinyl products, and then also it has additives to help throughout the humid part of the year. So when we get all the humidity, we get a lot of rain, you're not gonna see that swelling and edge checking like we used to see with wood products or engineered wood products. It's a product that, can handle the harshest of weather. And we need that in St. Louis, because arguably we have one of the craziest weather patterns throughout the year of any state in the country. To know that you have a product in your home that's built to withstand those elements for many, many years is a really nice benefit and should bring a lot of peace of mind to our clients.